We'll guide you through how to make a welcome message in a Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Every time someone joins, they automatically receive a greeting. First, you have to add a bot to your server. Just click on your server name and click on app directory. In the search bar, just search for DynoBot or Dino and just add the DynoBot to your server. Click on add app and visit the website. Now, just select the server where you want to make the welcome message appear. In my case, it's GuideRealm, and authorize it. Confirm that you are a human and return to your server once again. Now, we have to make a welcome channel. Just click on the plus icon on the welcome channel and name it welcome. And click on create channel. Go to the browser to your liking and search for DynoBot. And just click on the first link and click on manage server. Click on your server and now just click on the modules drop down and in the search bar just search for welcome. In my case, I have already got it in the recommendation, and make sure to toggle it on, and after toggling it on just click on settings. Now just select the channel. In my case, it's going to be welcome channel that I created earlier, and make sure message is selected. And now in this message box is where we can customize our message to the liking. Just scroll down and you will get these variables that you can use to customize your welcome message. For example, let's create our own one. Just delete the default one and just type hi curly bracket user and close the curly bracket and welcome to the server. Just type curly bracket once again and type server and close the curly bracket. The user variable automatically mentions the person that just joined, and the server variable will automatically display the name of your Discord server. You can also add emojis to make your message look more fun. Just press Window and period key on the keyboard to open the emoji tab and select the emoji that you want in the welcome message like so. And it will be added in your message as per you like. If your server has custom emoji, you can add them by opening the emoji picker in the Discord. Just go to your Discord and just add your server emoji. Just click on the emoji and add your emoji. Now what you want to do is to get the code of this emoji. Just go to the front of the message and type a backslash and hit enter. And just copy this URL or code and go back to your browser and just type your code and it will be added as a server emoji in your message. Now once you are happy with the welcome message, just click on update